Gym Home Workout is a comprehensive fitness application for Android that provides users with a wide range of workout routines tailored for both gym settings and at-home exercises. Designed to accommodate various fitness levels, this app typically offers guided workouts that include strength training, cardio, flexibility exercises, and more. Users can access instructional videos and detailed descriptions for each exercise, ensuring that they perform movements correctly and effectively. The app often includes customizable workout plans, allowing users to set fitness goals, track their progress, and receive personalized recommendations based on their performance and preferences. In addition to workout routines, Gym Home Workout may offer features like meal planning, nutrition tips, and progress tracking tools to help users stay motivated and achieve their health goals. Its user-friendly interface and diverse range of content make it a valuable resource for anyone looking to maintain or improve their fitness, whether at the gym or in the comfort of their own home.